70% of Jamaican men are victims of paternity fraud, aka jacket. What's going on, family? Zion Lewis back at you with another BBC video. If you're new to my channel, subscribe. It's free. Now back to the topic. 70% of Jamaican men are victims of paternity fraud. That means that 70% of Jamaican men are raised jacket. Boy, that's embarrassing. I remember the days where Jamaican men were proud. Or back then, Jamaican men were raising jackets, but 70% of Jamaican men now are victims of paternity fraud. That means that time really get hard. People nowadays ain't got no heart, yeah? Because there was a time where men did cheat, used to have the wife and the side chick for many years. And the wife and the side chick would know about each other, but they wouldn't have no, type of friendship or nothing like that. Nothing crazy like that. And everything was alright. But nowadays, a man can't even have him wife and side chick like that in peace no more. A pure turmoil. Because if you give her a bun, she will give you a bun back. And not only a bun, a bun in an oven. You see, women nowadays now, I think them tired of the whole fuckery when it comes to man. As I say, how man a dog, all men do is cheat, and we can't seem to keep it in our pants. Well, women nowadays are do their own thing now. If she get the sense that you're cheat, then she might give you a bun back. She might cheat back, and it might be 10 times worse. I mean, I tell you, when women cheat, it is worse than when a man cheat, because chances are she can get pregnant by the side man. But where some man don't realize is when a woman is about to cheat, she mentally left the relationship long time. She left the relationship months before she start cheat, but she in preparation for cheat. She'll get herself ready for the new man, the side man. That's my name on TikTok, side man. But anyway, so the thing is crazy. 70%, and some of the times the man will go years and I raise a picnic that's not even his, until him do a DNA test one day and realize, this picnic is not mine. Some instances, where in the news you hear so well, when the father find out say is not his child, him delete her, him delete the picnic, and then delete himself. Crazy, right? Tell us, say, yeah, man, it real crazy. Because another thing as well, the economy in Jamaica is really bad. So sometimes, if a woman get pregnant, she will get pregnant by a man she really sexually attracted to. But then if she have a money man who is financially capable of taking care of the child, she'll give that child to the money man, which is fucked up. Because I say that you should be honest in your intentions, right? If you feel to say this man where you sexually attracted to, wrap it up. Can't afford to take care of a child, wrap it up. Fair ladies say you'll get pregnant by another man and then go get to the money man. No, that's not fair at all. That is not fair. You know how damaging that is to a man's mental health? It's really damaging. That's why you're reading on the news, say man a delete him baby mother or him wife and the picnic and himself. Men nowadays I find out say, this child I've been raising for many years ain't mine. There was this one, right, that really shocked me, where this man and this woman, they was together, and him find out say they was raising 7 kids, and the man find out say 6 out of the 7 kids weren't his, so that means one of the kids was his. Can you believe that? And that man say, oh, me love her, me forgive her, and more spend the rest of my life with her, so I'm gonna stay with her. I tell you, love is blind. But if love is blind, we don't want no parts of it. But how crazy is that though? 6 out of the 7 kids where you raised is not yours? Wow. Wow. Them things, they're madness. Them things, they're crazy. I couldn't do it. If I there with that woman, right, I will raise 7 picnic together. And I find out say 6 out of the 7 picnic is not mine. Me I left. I'm leaving. How stupid would I look if it's still there with that woman? Right, where I lied to me for how many years, say 6 out of the 7 kids is not mine. Only 1 of them are for me. That means say 6 or more times she give me bun. For what? And some people evil, both male and female nowadays, wicked. Say them wicked, them wicked, them wicked. People nowadays have no remorse for other people's feelings. People just feel as though they can just do what they want without no repercussions, no consequence. And the thing is, that number will increase. That jacket number will increase from 70% to 75% to 80%. It's so bad now that in Jamaica, they make DNA testing mandatory. After the baby is born, they're testing whether or not that baby is that man's seed. I agree with that. If you be on the safe side, if you avoid heartache, do a mandatory DNA test to find out if that child is yours. So that 18 years down the line, you find out so that child is not yours. And all of that child support where you pay wasn't for nothing. You know so that child is definitely yours. Rotted, man. 70%. I remember a time when Jamaican man was gallus. Jamaican man are not gallus again. Because if 70% of Jamaican man get jackets, no man. Jamaican man, well, not all, but most of them turn from gallus to gal clown. In Jamaican culture, even if you raise a jacket, you wear the jacket in a hot weather. Jamaica's a hot country. Are you give me jacket? Ah, come on, man. That's crazy. Some man proud to wear jacket because the jacket name brand. My people are something else. Video, subscribe and like the video. It's crazy though. It goes to show you how much Jamaica has changed, because I live in the UK, right? I left Jamaica in 1999 when I was 14 years old, and to see the things going on in Jamaica now, it shocked me. It really shocked me, because you see, also because when I was in Jamaica, yeah, you hear about these things, but not on the level that it's at now. So times have really changed. A whole lot of things have changed. Jamaica's a different place. I don't even recognize Jamaica anymore. It's like Jamaica become Americanized, especially with this whole paternity fraud. Ah man, because only, as Jamaicans will say, foreign. You hear them things that happen. But now them happening in Jamaica. There was a time where in Jamaica, if you're a man and you want to picnic, you just take it. Can't even do that no more. You have to fight custody battle to get your child or children, if they are yours. Growing up in Jamaica, I never hear no such thing as no custody battle. It's just recent times these things have become more prevalent. The thing is crazy. The thing is utter madness. It's madness. I tell you. But this is Zion Lewis. Like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. I'm out. Peace.